Alright guys, there's a date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. We're staying in the elevator, in front of the elevator, at Carson Scott, Yorktown Center, in Lombard, Illinois. And as you can see here, if I'm correct, this elevator used to be placed in a vestibule. But if you guys didn't know, it used to be a Westinghouse with C.J. Anderson fixtures. But then, they replaced it with, I believe it's a Schindler with some kind of innovation button, if I'm correct. I'm not exactly sure, but also, if you guys can see, this store is going out of business, and the reason for that is because people are buying stuff online now to a point where the stores are like, okay, if people are not coming here to shop anymore, then there's really no point in keeping it up here. So yeah, unfortunately it's going to close soon, but as long as it's still open, let's take a ride on the elevator here. I believe it's a Schindler now, but let's take it for a ride. Interesting call button here. I wonder if it's like some kind of mad BS call button or some innovation. I'm not that great at identifying types of call buttons, but anyways guys, it seems like our elevator is here. The elevator will come here anytime soon. Or maybe there's two elevators, if I'm not mistaken. Because I was here in 2016, so they could have actually renovated this part. I'm not exactly sure. This might actually be the new Schindler that they put in here. It seems to be taking a while to come down here. Here it is. So here's our elevator. Yep, they completely modernized this thing, and the buttons are on this side this time, so now it's set up to 2. And yep, these are actually Innovation Premier buttons. So now we're going to look out the window here. It's got this everything 50 to 70% off sale since everything's going out of business. Oh, wait a minute. Duh, oh wow, I'm so stupid. I wasn't even on the first floor when I first started filming. That's why there was no vestibule. So yeah, they still have the vestibule, but they just modernized their elevator. So now we're going down to the basement. It's got 2 chimes, both external and internal. Well, I'm sorry if I said that they replaced the vestibule. They did not. The vestibule was on the first floor, obviously. But yeah, they actually modernized their elevator. So they replaced. It used to be a Westinghouse with a C.J. Anderson fixtures, if you saw my previous video. But now it's a Schindler with Innovation Premier. And someone's stopping at 1. Come down. Go ahead. Thank you. Ooh, that's not good. Did you know that they actually replaced all the buttons in here?
What's that?
They actually replaced all the buttons in here.
Oh, these? Really?
Yeah, they're
old, all outdated.
Yeah, they updated though.
How's it going, buddy?
Alright, thanks, you too. Ooh, nice little diminished chord there with the extra internal chime. But anyways, now we're gonna watch the indicator. And the indicator is also new. Like it used to be analog, but now it's I think LCD screen. And they also got your typical HT chime as well. So yeah, that original Westinghouse indicator is not there anymore. It's too bad they replaced the old Westinghouse. Oh well, at least I got rid of it. Also, if you guys heard, there's a voice with it. Wow. I love the diminished chord there. Except the down chime, it sounds like a doorbell. Anyways, let's get our CAD view now. Yep, store is definitely going out of business. And it's pretty much how it was before, except the call station, the COP, got replaced. And I also moved it to this side. It used to be on that side. Oh yeah, it did, because like it's got like the imprints of it right here. This is like was like the original panel. Then I moved the panel to here. So anyways, there's your indicator. Here are your fixtures. Innovation Premiere. And here's your phone. You also heard it say basement. So now let's ring the bell. I love the diminished chord there with the chimes. Anyways, let's watch this thing close up. There it goes. And that's it.